The best advice I could give is to try something new that you aren't familiar with because you're probably going to wind up liking it.
Join as many things as you can. Make memories, have fun, make more friends, be social. Don't stay in your little bubble with your middle school friends, just be active.
You might think that people in your grade that are not in your group are not like you, but in reality they really are, and they could be like really fun and nice people.
Don't be scared to try something new, because chances are that's where you'll express yourself truly, 1000%.
Stay true to yourself and really know yourself, and I think having confidence in yourself makes things a lot easier, and to really prioritize your well-being.
Don't worry about the drama, because everyone gets caught up in it.
Any of the girls, don't talk to boys.
Definitely just find whatever makes you happy and pursue that to the fullest extent, because success will breed itself when you're passionate about it rather than if you're forcing it.
Really think about your future. I really didn't think about it until my senior year, and it kind of affected me. So I guess from the beginning, kind of think about a plan.
Definitely try all 4 years. They all matter.
That junior year really does matter, because colleges look at your junior grades and not really as much as the freshman and sophomore, but you still need to try as hard for them too.
Stay on top of things. The morning announcements are really important. Everything on the Google Classroom is so important, and to never underestimate listening to your teachers in the morning.
Definitely open yourself up to new people, meet new friends every day, try new sports, try out for clubs, all that stuff.
Just like go outside of your boundaries.
And trying out things that maybe never tried before, and maybe finding a passion for something you never knew you had.
It's gonna fly by quick, and there's so much that you're gonna miss if you don't do anything.
If you want to do something, you should do it, because you might regret it in the future. You might think back, oh, I should have done that. Oh my gosh, I missed out. I didn't make the most of my high school years. And then, once it's gone, it's gone.
Get involved in your class. Try to make a change.
Mostly I'm probably going to miss the connection with my teachers here. I feel like we're a really small school, so you get really personal with them.
I was excited to leave, but now everything's kind of just slapping me in the face, and it's just all coming really quick and kind of all just growing up.
Do you think you're going to miss Hampton Bays High School?
I like to joke that I won't, but it's such a big part of who I've become today, and I definitely wouldn't be where I am and going where I am without the people in Hampton Bays.
I'm gonna miss the principals. Mr. Richard is a cool dude.
I've gotten close to a lot of teachers this year. Mr. DeRose is pretty cool, and he gets really involved in the school.
I'm definitely gonna miss my favorite teachers. The people that always checked in, always people, there was people that cared about me. Made sure I was doing all right.
I really like how connected the teachers and students are with each other.
At the end of the day, the teachers have helped me a lot, and they have been there for me a lot, especially my coaches and the social workers. And they have made my 4 years the best in Hampton Bays.
I think I would miss the impact I had in other kids, because I see myself as a role model, because I'm a senior. I'm always trying to help out, just helping younger kids to become better.
The beach. I will forever come back to the beach.
The beach, being very close, or my family. Everything's all close together. Everybody knows each other here. It's a community.
I'm definitely gonna miss the small community feel. Hampton Bays, it's, I'm about to go to a huge university that has 60,000 people in it, and I'm gonna miss this, 170 person grades that are just, feel like home.
I think the close groups is what I'd miss most. Everybody kind of knows each other.
I grew up with all my friends here. I'm still gonna live here when I come back. It's always gonna be my home.
I'm just gonna miss seeing everyone, just knowing everyone, High school is just very small here, so I'm college is gonna be really big and no one's gonna talk to me.
It's kind of weird, knowing that we're all going in different paths and that we're not going to be in the same building anymore.
I will miss Hampton Bays, but honestly, it's really time to just go our separate ways and meet new people, experience new things, and visit other parts of the world.
I'm gonna miss the things that Hampton Bays had to offer, but I'm definitely excited to see a new place that I've never been or lived in.
What are you gonna miss?
I guess just the comfort of being here. My friends, the teachers. This is making me emotional. But yeah, high school is definitely a great experience. Good.
I think she's gonna be like the final clip on the whole thing. Like that was. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.